What's up mga tihik? Welcome back to my channel. Join me today as we go out around the city for the ultimate, search for this indoor plant that I'll be putting inside my room. Let's begin. Right, so first of all, I'd like to thank Focal Sight for this wonderful eyewear. So if you've noticed, naka-transition lens siya. That means I don't need to wear separate sunglasses to protect my eyes from the harsh sunlight. So automatic siya dim and gives us a shade. While at the same time, you know, it protects our eyes from harmful radiation due to constant exposure to computers and mobile devices. So thank you so much Focal Sight for this wonderful eyewear. So going back, so we're here today sa Ayala Center, Cebu Terraces. Um, kay I'll be going to SM in a bit. Uh, wala pa man nag-open. It's still 9:30 in the morning. So, kalkal na akong buhok. But anyway, so our plan is to go to SM City Cebu and I'll be buying a potting mix, para wala may kasi pala yuta dito sa syudad. So there's a commercial potting mix that we can use, and that's in Ace Hardware or at the third floor of SM department store. So together later, we'll buy those items and palit sa tagpot. And after that, I'll be going to um, Ramos Market kay na ay kuan ito na maligya o mga plants. So it can be indoor and outdoor plants, but what we're looking for is an indoor plant na mo survive o dugay without too much exposure of sunlight, without the need of constant watering. So mo na siya ang ato ang pangitaon later. So I'm thinking of snake plant and palm. So if you don't know what snake plant is, ano siya? Muna siya ay snake plant, and I think you know what palm is. So ang disadvantage lang sa palm is dako lang yun siya kaayo, whereas kani siya vertical rayahang orientation, so we can somehow make advantage or take advantage of that biological structure, if I may say. Alright, so again, join me today as we go around the city looking for these items, potting mix, a pot, and of course the plant that we'll be using for this project. So we'll see you later. What's up? Alright, so we're now here at Ace Hardware and nasa mga pot section.
Yes, please. Automotive personnel, yes.
Right, so may the page. But anyway, so pot sections. Medyo naglibog ko asa ang akong paliton ani nila because they all look beautiful. So maybe we'll just consider. Ooh, I found something. aning a design, but a little bit smaller. So I'll just try to reach it out. Alright, so here, I think it looks good, right? So, masyag honeycomb, or masyag beehive, something. Yeah, design. And let's see how much na siya. It's 149 and 75 cents. So, naniya, di ka mahal ng mga pots. But it looks great, right? So, okay, we'll just grab this. So, if you've noticed, they're playing Christmas songs, and on the other side of this wall is a construction ongoing. Ooh, I think they're all black, but I think mas nandito siya. What do you think? Right. So on this other side is a katong potting mix. Ini sila. So we'll just find the right soil for us. May lahi din siya klase mo. And inanin kay good ka crisis ang life kay pati yuta ibaligya yuta sa ka this time yutaan. Right, so different one such expiration date is about 3 kilos and to 259. This one is for roses. Actually, not specific. This one is leaf mold compost. Napoy for trees. For all kind of plants. A potting mix. So we'll just see. I don't need a big pack. Kaya may dagko kayo. Matag 300 plus. I just need a little kay later mapalit sa plants. Of course, nanagito siya yuta niyadaan, but wala na siya kanang pang fill lang sa gaps. Para rin dito siya tanawon. So we'll just find the right one for us. And not that big. Okay. This one looks good. Fine compost for all kind of plants, and it's just 429 and 75 cents. So I think we'll just get this one too. So we're now ready with our potting mix and our pot. So it's just time for us to find our plant. So let's try to see if namaligya the plant inside the mall. And we'll see. Say mayroon. Right, so I'll get back to you later once I'm done paying for these items, okay? Alright, so we're finally here at Ramos Market, and at my back are the plants na hindi pang baligya. So we'll just have to look for the right plant for us. So let's start searching. Alright, so I finally got my indoor plant. Kalimot na ko siyang name, but wala siya. So right now, nauli na ko, and we'll just have to transfer it sa atong pot nga napalit earlier sa SM. And I think more na siya. So later together, we'll just transfer the plants, and then also I'll show you how it would look like inside my room. Napa siya mga gamay nga, mga gisi-gisi sa iyang leaves, but overall, as I think the time goes by slowly, makanta man to. So, maybe soon, matarong-tarong na niyahang itsura. So, based on what I've heard sa tag-iya earlier, um, okay na daw siyang walay bu walay gawas-gawas sa room, even though aircon ang imong room, it will still thrive. So, let's see how it will work out sa akong room, and hopefully this will look nice. Alright, so I just got home no, and we're here to, you know, transfer our indoor plant to its new pot. So earlier mo na siya itong napalit from SM, and it's worth 150 pesos, and we also bought composting soil just to add on sa pot. And here is our plant, indoor plant. So let's begin transferring. Alright, so I guess we're able to fully transfer our plant to its new pot. Currently, wala na itong nagamit na siya. So, ito na lang i-reserve for future use. So, ito lang siyang i-water kamay and then let it settle down. And then maybe tonight, ako na siyang dalon sa room. Okay? So, I'll show you later how it will look like sa atong room when everything is all set, and then we have this plant as an accent to our room. Alright, so finally, nahuman na jud ta sa atong room makeover. Okay, so as you can see, blue atong theme or motif. I like my pillowcases, which I got at Metro Gaisano Colon for only 39 pesos. And as I promised earlier, I'm gonna show you how asan ako gibutang ako ang plant, indoor plant. Nara siya diri. Looks great, right? So, one thing advantage of having an indoor plant is it helps you, or it helps purify the air sulod sa imong room. So hopefully I could get more plants para atong ma-incorporate diri sa atong room. So I'm very much happy of what I have today. I've worked for this for about 5 days now. I'm very much exhausted, but I'm so happy. Alright, so if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for tuning in today. Have a great day. Bye-bye.